Make your favorite tea, instant coffee, and soup with this Swiss design kettle. This powerhouse has a generous 1.5 liter capacity, and its 360 degrees connector base makes it suitable for both right and left-handed users. Its wide opening is made for quick filling and easy cleaning. And the limescale filter keeps the water free from deposits. It features a beautiful LED light indicator, and the special safety glass is resistant to extremely high temperatures. And it's available in different colors. So, indispensable in the kitchen, at home, or at the office. I'll have a high tea. Bye-bye.